Hello, my dear ones. Once again, I'm Smita Chaudhary, back in your channel, Easy English. Again, I'm going to take up one poem from Standard 11, The Voice of the Rain. So let us see what is the writer saying or poet is saying about the voice of the rain. So, the poem is written by Walt Whitman, and so let's see, he is here speaking about the scientific process of rainfall, and that in the literature terms. So, in the terms of literature, how can we explain the process of rain? This is what is here told. So, let's see, this poem is written in first person personification. That is, rain is telling as I. That is, everywhere rain is speaking as a human being. So, personification and I is first person. So, here the poet is asking a question to the rain and the rain is answering it. So, the poet is here asking, "Who art thou?" Said I to the soft falling shower. This is the poet asking, that who are you? And so he is saying, said I. The poet says, I asked the rain, who are you? To that soft falling shower. So softly that the rain is falling. To that drizzling rain he asked. With strange to tell. So it is very strange that the rain was answering him. Obviously, it is very strange because how many of you have heard the rain asking a question or are telling something to us? We have never heard the rain telling anything, isn't it? And so it is expected. So it was really strange that the rain was answering. And it was strange to tell. Gave me an answer as here translated. The poet understood. When the pitter-patter raindrops, it was falling. The noise of the rain, it appeared to be as a pleasant music for the poet, and he understood what the rain is trying to say. So he has translated it. Okay, देखते हैं कि ट्रांसलेशन में रेन ने क्या जवाब दिया. पोएट ने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, हु आर यू? कौन हो आप? तो रेन ये आंसर देती है और रेन क्या आंसर दिया हम देखते हैं. I am the poem of earth. Yes, rainfall is compared to that of the poem of the earth. So poem of the earth से क्यों इसको compare किया गया है? My little young ones, please will you try to say how is it the poem of the earth? Because it has the rhyme and rhythm. Because when it is falling, it is constant in its rhythm. Maybe it can be a little faster, it can be a little low, it can be a little drizzle, it can be a heavy downpour. तो अलग अलग इंटेंसिटी है रेनफॉल का. कभी धीमा, आस्ते, कभी वो बहुत ज़ोर से बारिश होना. लेकिन रेनफॉल उसी में भी उसमें एक रिदम है, एक संगीत का रिदम है. इसीलिए वो पोएम ऑफ द अर्थ है. एंड said the voice of the rain, eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea. So eternally, continuously, हमेशा के लिए वो it keeps on rising. वाटर वेपर, तो जो भी लैंड मास एंड जो भी वाटर मास है वो वाटर से वाटर कंटिन्यूसली हमेशा, जैसे गर्मी होता है और गर्मी का इंटेंसिटी जैसे बढ़ता है तो वाटर वेपर भाप बन के ऊपर चलते रहता है. एंड दिस इज कंटिन्यूस, ये हमेशा होता है. सो इटर्नल आई राइज, इम्पैल्पेबल, इट कैन नॉट बी टच्ड. हम लोग छू नहीं सकते हैं वाटर वेपर को. हम जानते हैं कि वाटर वेपर ऊपर उठ रहा है, आसमान की तरफ जा रहा है, लेकिन हम लोग ना उसको छू सकते हैं ना देख सकते हैं. तो वाटर वेपर, इट इज राइजिंग आउट ऑफ द लैंड एंड द बॉटमलेस सी. कहाँ से राइज हो रहा है? तो अगर गीला है सॉइल तो उसमें से भी वाटर जा रहा है. और वेयर एवर देयर इज द वाटर सरफेस, कहीं भी जमा पानी है कहीं भी पानी है वहाँ से बॉटमलेस सी के ऊपर से जा रहा है. So upward to heaven. And where is it going? It is going to heaven. It is going to the sky. So as we believe that sky is there, the heaven is there on top in that sky, so obviously it is going to the sky. Eternal as upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, and it forms the clouds. It is forming the cloud. It is vaguely formed. It does not have a definite shape. कोई shape नहीं होता है, वो वेगली फॉर्म होता है. कभी भी कैसे भी शेप का, किसी भी आकार का वो बादल के रूप में, बादल का रूप ले लेता है. सो इट गोज अप. This water vapor, it rises from the surface of the earth and the sea or any water mark, any water body. From there it rises, and as it reaches up, it forms the cloud. Altogether changed and yet the same. It is totally changed. So in our junior classes, we all have studied that water has different forms. Okay, and so it is totally changed. अब बादल तो water जैसा दिखता बिल्कुल नहीं है, but it is totally changed, but it is the same. It's the states of matter you all have studied, isn't it? The 3 states of water. So it is, so ये भी बादल बन के totally changed form में होता है. And I descend to lave the droughts. So when it rains, now after forming the clouds, when it becomes heavy, the rainfall takes place. When the moisture collects, the rainfall takes place. And it descends on the earth. It comes down on the earth. How it comes? To lave the droughts. That is to wash the droughts. Wherever there is dryness, जहाँ भी सूखा पड़ा हुआ है, वहाँ ये रेनफॉल होके इसको it bathes, it washes the drought को खत्म करता है. Atomies जो present है air में, whatever is present, the dust particles, the atoms, it is all washed. So dust layers of the globe is the earth. On the earth जो भी dust layer है उसको खत्म करता है. With the rainfall, we know all the dust and all, it is washed. It is with the first shower that all these get washed. So the rainfall washes all these. And all that in them without me were seeds only. So on this earth, everything was just a form of that seed. वो seed जो देखने से लगता है कि उसमें कोई जान नहीं है, और वो खाली seed ही रहता है जब तक पानी नहीं पड़ता. Till it gets the water, it remains in the form of the seed. Latent, unborn. So it is latent, hidden. Life is hidden over there. It is, life is not born. It sprouts, it regenerates only when it gets the favorable weather along with the water. So the rainfall is very important. It is needed for the growth of the seeds. For this seeds to get its life and sprout, germinate. And forever, by day and night, forever, continuously, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin. So, own origin is what? To the earth. So, it gives life to the earth. So, life is in the hidden form, but by the continuous rain, incessant rain. So, day and night, हमेशा, ये जब भी बारिश होता है continuously, we find that life और life को जन्म दे रहा है. That is, earth को फिर life वापस दे रहा है. Originated, it had started as a vapor, लेकिन वापस धरती पे ही आ रहा है और धरती का सूखापन को हटा रहा है, धरती को लाइफ प्रदान कर रहा है. And make pure and beautify it. So after the rainfall, how pure it appears, isn't it? All greenery all around. So it makes, the earth is made pure. and it is made beautiful. So the rain brings back beauty on the earth. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. This is the similarity between the rain and the earth. दोनों ही जन्म लेता है अर्थ से. रेनफॉल एंड म्यूजिक, देयर इज अ सिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन म्यूजिक एंड रेनफॉल. दोनों ही अर्थ से जन्म लेता है. यहाँ वहाँ भटकता है, दूसरे देशों में भी म्यूजिक जाता है. रेनफॉल एज क्लाउड्स इट रोव्स, हॉवर्स अबाउट एंड देन चेंज्ड या अनचेंज्ड फॉर्म में. हो सकता है किसी देश का म्यूजिक के साथ एमलगमेशन मिक्स हो जाए और दूसरे तरह से एक म्यूजिक का जन्म ले, दूसरा म्यूजिक ही बन जाए. वैसे ही ये रेनफॉल ना रह के वो ड्यू ड्रॉप्स, वो स्नोफॉल, फ्रॉस्ट कुछ भी फॉर्म ले सकता है, लेकिन कहाँ वापस आता है? इसी अर्थ पे. So the same way the music also returns back to the earth. So कहीं भी म्यूजिक भटके, कहीं भी किसी भी देश में जाए, कहीं भी म्यूजिक उससे जुड़े, लेकिन वो अर्थ में ही हम लोग को, and it makes us, gives us a pleasant music. We actually are amused, we gain life by this music. तो म्यूजिक वापस अर्थ में, and similarly the raindrops वापस अर्थ में, it returns back. So this is the similarity between the music and rainfall. So these two lines, the last two lines, they are put into the bracket because this is said by the poet. बीच में जो translation है, it is totally told by rain कि क्या कैसे वो return आती है हमारे पृथ्वी पर. In the wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. Wrecked or unwrecked, changed or unchanged form. या तो रेन वैसे ही फॉर्म में आ जाए, म्यूजिक जैसे जा रहा है वैसे ही फॉर्म में आ जाए, या फिर इट इज इन द ड्यूली विद लव, लव के साथ या तो चेंज होके आए या विदाउट चेंज वापस आ जाता है. सो दिस इज वॉट वी सी द वॉइस ऑफ द रेन. द होल पोएम, once again I say, it is the first person personification. Thank you, children. So do well. Hope you all have understood the poem. Thank you. Bye bye.